Is AI making an impact in your business? Are you using ChatGPT at work, officially or unofficially? It's part of a class of generative AI that's coming into the workplaces. Generative AI can generate content in text like ChatGPT, but also can do in video, sound, and speech. An MIT study shows AI can boost business productivity up to 40%. One crucial concern from this AI tool is the privacy and data protection. How might you make most of these AI tools? Now, we are looking at how do you roll out these AI tools responsibly and ethically in your organization. What are the key business tools you can use in AI, but also what to look out for in terms of the risks, and then also what kind of guidelines should you put in place so you can roll it out safely in your organization. On top of that, we're going to be conducting a Masterclass at SMU, a Masterclass in AI, where we will be having regulators from the region coming in, talking about regulations that are coming on stream for AI. We're also hearing from data governance professionals in the region, talking on latest development, here from Microsoft on never-seen-before demos. And we're going to have also shocking findings of surveys that we've done in terms of apps, AI apps, and what are the risks. You don't want to miss all this. So let the real certified professionals guide you to become an AI business professional. See you there.